Hi, third grade, and welcome to week 7 of learning. This week in our Green Grammar book, we're going to go ahead and do week 5. So let's get started with the Monday section. Number 1, underline all of the common nouns, circle all of the proper nouns, label all nouns as either a person, place, or thing. The sentence says, Salvador likes to play the guitar. Well, the proper noun that I see is a specific noun that is capitalized, Salvador. And the other noun in this sentence is common, so I'm going to underline guitar. Now, Salvador is a person and guitar is a thing. Number 2, rewrite the sentence below, replacing the underlined words with a correct pronoun. The coach forgot his whistle at home. We are doing pronouns this week, and the pronoun that goes best here would be he. He forgot his whistle at home. Coaches could also be females. You could use she, but because the other pronoun in the sentence, his, is there, we know that we need to use the pronoun he to go along with that. Number 3. Write a verb to complete the sentence. Emily blank cookies for her class. The verb, the action that comes to my mind first here is the verb bake, but I want to use the past tense, so I said Emily baked cookies for her class. You could say Emily bakes cookies for her class. You could say Emily will bake cookies for her class if you want to use the future tense, but I went with the past tense there. Number 4, circle the adjectives in the sentence. Draw an arrow from each adjective to the noun it describes. The weather this weekend was hot. So I know right now that weather is a thing, that's a noun. Weekend is also a thing, that's a noun. And to describe what kind, we have the adjective hot. So you need to circle hot. Now we have to decide which noun hot is describing. Is it hot weekend or hot weather? We actually need to draw our arrow back to weather because hot is describing the weather. Last one says, circle the adverbs in the sentence. Draw an arrow from the adverbs to the verbs they modify. We talked about adverbs last week, and we mentioned that most adverbs end with ly, but not all of them. And if you look at this sentence, please leave the groceries here. None of those words in that sentence end with ly. So then you have to ask yourself, what word in the sentence describes where something took place or when something took place? The verb in this sentence is leave. So is there a word in that sentence that says when or where? You got it. The adverb in this sentence is here. Here is describing where to leave the groceries. So we are making our arrow and putting it backwards to the verb leave. Thank you for joining me today. I will see you back tomorrow for Tuesday.